Hey, what's up everyone? If you're like me, procrastination might as well be your middle name. But today I've got a quick win for you, the 2-minute rule. This trick is so simple, it's almost ridiculous. Here's the deal, if a task takes 2 minutes or less, do it immediately. Yeah, you heard me right. Don't even think twice. Think about it. How much time do we waste just deciding when to start something? For example, replying to an email, washing a dish, or even setting up that dentist appointment. These tiny tasks pile up and create a mental clutter that makes us feel overwhelmed. The 2-minute rule cuts through that nonsense. So, next time you catch yourself putting off something small, just do it. You'll be surprised at how much you can get done in a day. Plus, it builds momentum, making those bigger tasks feel a bit more manageable. Breaking free from procrastination doesn't have to be a Herculean task. Small wins add up, and before you know it, you're a productivity beast. So give it a shot. See the comments section below to read more for free. And hey, if you found this tip helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick wins. Let's conquer procrastination together. Peace out.